Hey guys, Omar here, and I am at the 2019 Muckfest. This is a great charity event to raise money for MS, and I'm doing it here for my buddy Mo. We are the Baconators. I picked up this little camera because my GoPro died, and I put it through the paces through tons of action. Here's some of that awesome action. As you can see, the camera has been completely great for its price, a lot cheaper than a GoPro. So we're going to use it again today. Right now I'm not using it in its case, and so this is what the sound is like right at a camera. Okay, the first thing to know about these cameras is you need a lot of light. As soon as these cameras go in the dark, all these action cameras, they're terrible. So make sure you have a lot of light. Second, there is image stabilization on this camera, but not in the 4K resolution, which I like to shoot in. This is the widest resolution that you can get, the best resolution in 4K. So right now I'm walking with no image stabilization. I'll turn on the image stabilization now. Okay, this is a 2K mode, and in this 2K mode, the resolution's a little lessened because it's a digital stabilization. So now I'm holding the camera, and you get a little bit more stabilization, a little tighter shot. But I'm going to shoot everything in ultra wide 4K for this, okay? We're going to put it in its case and get a little muddy for charity. Let's do it.
Yeah.
I have a little speck, but if I try to clean it, a little speck.
Upside down?
Alright, so the Muckfest was fun. Okay, that last clip was ultra wide. You don't want to record in ultra wide because things will look bendy. Anyway, the Yi Action Cam long-term review, if you're looking for like a quick little action camera to throw in your pocket, highly recommend. It's great. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.